Hi everybody, it's Rob Keeley here, and I'm the author of The Alien in the Garage, the Spirits series, The Treasure in the Tower, and lots of other children's books. And the book you've just seen is my new one, The Boy Who Disappeared and Other Stories, and it's out now in ebook, and the paper book is out in March. And it's 10 short stories about primary and secondary school life. And you can find out about Ellis, who was really annoying Isla in class until he disappeared. And you can find out about Oscar, who's written down everything he really thinks about people and then left the piece of paper in a library book. And you can find out about Liam and Justin, who've been in my stories before. And you can find out about Paul, who really doesn't want to go to big school, so you'll find out what he does. So please have a look at my book and all my other books, which are on my website at www.robkeeley.co.uk. And if you go to the extras page, you can also find lots of word searches, quizzes, writing activities, and other things based on my books. Now, Mrs. Mason has asked me to set you a little writing challenge, so here we go. Imagine you've just had 3 invitations. One is to Prince Charming's garden party. One is to a one-day school for superheroes. And one is to a day trip to the planet Mars. The only trouble is, all 3 of them are on the same day. So you're going to have to decide which one you want to go to. So these will all come up on screen again in a minute when I've finished speaking. So you can go to Prince Charming's garden party, to a one-day school for superheroes, or on a day trip to the planet Mars. And I want you to write about which one you go to and what happens. And please describe it all you can and make it as bright and colourful and exciting as you can, so that the reader feels they're going on the trip with you. So have some fun with that. Please check out my book, and I'll see you soon.